Ian from Caterham Crazy Horse, and today I've got this lovely 420R in the standard chassis, factory built, finished in ultraviolet. So as I said, this one is a 420R. So with the R pack, you get things like the, as I'll show you later on, the carbon fibre dashboard, unique key, gear knob and instruments. You get the harnesses for the seat belts, shift light, limited slip diff, lightweight flywheel, uprated brake master cylinder, black pack, so externally that being the black headlight bowls, the black cat guard, the black windscreen, and the filler on the back being in black too. So highlighting some of the above and beyond options, I'm here to look at the ventilated disc with the quad piston caliper, and also remaining on the front corner you can see the aero style wishbones and the Bilstein suspension, which is well, that's actually standard as part of the R pack, but that's adjustable so we can flat floor the car to suit the weight of the driver, to bring back 50-50 balance across the car. The indicator pods finished in carbon fibre, and a clear indicator pack, so that's on the side, that's clear as well. And also the LED headlights with running light through them. The icon in the grille is painted to match the body colour, which is ultraviolet, and that's with the 620 style nose cone, purely for aesthetic on this car, but I hope you'd agree that it gives it a really nice look, slightly more aggressive and sportier look too. Comes with the master cutoff switch, great for if you are on a track day, but also for storage as well. It's got the 15-inch Orcus wheels in anthracite, and then like all the new Caterhams, they come with the LED rear lights. And onto the interior, as I mentioned earlier in the video, as part of the R pack you get the carbon fibre dash. But what's also worth highlighting is the buttons there in front of the gear stick, showing that this car has got heated seats, and those are the carbon fibre seats with the Caterham harnesses, and the roundel, the Caterham roundel's been stitched into the headrests in purple to match. That also goes through the seating as well. But yeah, the base pad and the back pad in both seats is heated. There's also a heater that I've added to the car as well. Full weather pack, so doors, they've got an armrest on them as well. Full roof as well as the windscreen, which is electrically heated. And there you can see Caterham Financial Services. You can finance this Caterham. I can do a quote tailored to you, whether it be for this one or other Caterhams too. Thanks for watching the video. Not sure whether I said at the start, but this is brand new, unregistered. But if you want to secure it now, ready for a summer of fun motoring, then please let me know. We can have it registered within about 10 days of payment. Please do give me a call or drop me an email, and I'll answer any questions you have. Thank you. Bye-bye.